just making a informal video about some electrical safety. If you've got some old electrical leads which are attached to outdoor equipment like lighting and security sensors, you might want to consider that if this wiring is over 20 years old plus, that you should probably have it checked out, because upon changing an outdoor light which I had for a while sitting mounted on the wall, I was going to replace the light, check the wiring, and I'll show you. That appears like as if it might have been on fire, but no, that was sitting dormant for a number of years, not being attached to anything important. So when I terminated it, it was just the bare terminals. It's supposed to be like an insulator. There's nothing there left. And looking at the other end of the cord, it's sitting dormant for ages too. You see here the dramatic deterioration of the rubber. If you were to try to use that today, you will not see anything working but maybe a potential fire hazard. And if you've got some other extension leads around, such as this is an old IEC cable, and I suspect that the internal insulation might also be deteriorating and it's leaching out from the connector. But upon removal of the sheath and connectors, it does look to be fairly normal. But if that was left out in the environment with hot and cold cycles, that also may look like that. So just be clear that your leads should be made to an electrical standard and will not deteriorate in such a dramatic way. Thank you very much.